on this channel, I'm going to be taking you from the beginning, from the very beginning. If your passion is to learn fashion designing, okay, just know that you're in the right place. Okay, I'm going to take you from the beginning, right from the very scratch. Right, if you are beginning as a fashion designer, this is where you are going to start from. Okay, so when you want to enroll as a fashion designer, the first thing you must know is how to read your tape. Okay, so I'll be teaching you on how to read your tape. Okay, so this is my tape here. This is my tape here, right? So this is my tape. This is my tape here. So I also have another one here. This one is mainly for a beginner. Okay, this one is mainly for a beginner. All right, this type is mainly for a beginner. So this is what we'll be using at the course of this class. All right. So this is the one we'll be using. Meanwhile, I will also teach you how to read this very one as well. Okay, you can see that there's a much difference between the two of them. Okay, so there's how we read them. So the reading of this one is different from the reading of this one. Okay, so we are going to start with this first. So this is how you are going to be reading your tape. All right, this big line here is called what? An inch. Okay, this big line here is called an inch. Like this is 2 inch, this is 3 inch, this is 3 inch, this is 4 inch, this is 5 inch, this is 6 inch, and then continue like that. All right, so between an inch and another inch, for example, between 2 inch and 3 inch, the center line, this center line here is called what? A half. Okay, like 2.5. all right, 2.5. all right, so let's do that for 3 and 4. This line here is what? Between that divide 3 and 4 into 2 equal parts is what? 3.5. so this is 4.5, and this is 5.5, and this is 6.5, and this is 7.5. Continue like that, okay, until you reach 60. Sorry, a tape always start from 1 to 60. Okay, so this is where the tape stop. It stop at 60. So your measurement should stop at 60. All right. So that is how you continue to do it. The lines between, unlike 59 and 60, for example, a line between 59 and 60, this very line is what? 59.5. All right. So aside from that, we are going to be considering the small line in between them. All right. This small line in between them. Let's say this is 1 inch. Okay, this is 1 inch, for example. Starting from the beginning of your tape, the first line after that we call it 1/8. That is 1 all over 8. 1/8. Okay, then the next line after that we call it 1/4, which is 1 all over 4. all right, this 1 all over 4. Then the next line after that, so this very line after the 1 over 4, the next one is 3 all over 8. Okay, we call it 3/8. That's how it is called in tailoring, 3/8. Okay, then the next line, which is the big one, is called what? 1/2, which is what? A half. Okay, half of an inch. Okay, call it 1/2, or what? Half of an inch. All right, so after half of an inch, the next line after half we call it 5/8. Okay, 5/8. so the next one we call it 3/4. Okay, we call it 3/4. It's 3 all over 8, all over 4. Then the next one we call it 7/8. Okay, call it 7/8 in tailoring. Okay, and the next one is the next inch. All right, the next one is the next inch. So let's try that out and see. Let's try it out and see. Now, always keep the first line here. Now this is 1/8, this is 1/4, this is 3/8, this is half or 1 all over 2, this is 5/8, this is 5 over 8, this is 3/4, this is 3 over 4, this is 7/8, this is 7 all over 8, and then this is another inch, which is 3 inch. Now let's continue like that. This is 1/8, this is 3/1/8. Okay, this is counting from 3 now. Okay, this is 3/1/8, this is 3/1/4. Okay, this is 3/3/8. Okay, that is how we call it, 3/3/8, because we are starting from 3 inch. Okay, 3/3/8, which is now 3.5. Okay, this is 3 whole number 1 over 2. It's 3.5. This is 3/5/8. All right, this is 3/5/8. This is 3/3/4. Okay, this is 3/3/4. This is 3/7/8. Okay, this is 3/7/8, and this is 4 inch. All right, so that is how we count it. Let's continue to from 4 to 5 and see. This is 4/1/8. Okay, 4/1/8, 4/1/4. Okay, 4/3/8, 4.5, 4/5/8, 4/3/4, 4/3/4, 4/7/8, and then 5 inch. All right, so that is how to count your tape. So you continue like that until you reach 6. You continue like that until you reach 7. Continue like that to 8. Continue like that to 9. Continue to 10. Continue until you are able to what? To finish your tape up to the 60th point. Okay, for example, let's do for 60 now. This is 59. This is 59.18. Okay, 59.18, 59.14, 59.38. Okay, this is 59 and a half. All right, this is 59.58. This is 59.3/4. Okay, this is 59.78, and then this is 60 inch. All right, so that is how you are going to count your tape. All right, so for you to be able to get it easily, you need to practice your tape very well so that you can get it easily. All right, so for this very one, this is how you are going to count this tape. Okay, this one, for you to count, this one is much more easier, okay, than this one. So I recommend that you start with this as a beginner. Okay, start with this tape as a beginner. So this is how to count this one, so that at least you also know how to count it. Okay, so this one we are jumping one line in between it, so you are counting 2 lines as one. Okay, unlike this one, as you count this one, you are counting 2 lines for 1/8. Okay, so let's go now. This line, this very one, I jump this one, then I go for it. So this is my 1/8. Okay, this is my 1/8. I jump this one as well, then I go for this. This is my 1/4. Okay, it's my 1/4. Then I jump this one, I go on this. This is my 3/8. Okay, this is my 3/8. Then I jump this one, I go on this. Is my 1/2 inch. Is that okay? This is my 1/2 inch. Then I also jump one here and then go to the next one. This is my 5/8. Okay, then jump one again, go to the next one. This is my 3/4. Okay, then jump one again, go to the next one. This is my 7/8. Okay, this is my 7/8. Then 1 inch. I jump one again, then 1 inch. Okay, so let's take that again. This is my 1/8. This is my 1/8. This is my 1/4. My 1/4. This is my 3/8. This is my 3/8. This is my 1.5. This is my 1/2 inch. Okay, which is 1/2. My 1/2 inch. And this is my 5/8. This is my 5/8. This is my 3/4. Okay, this is my 3/4. This is my 7/8. This is my 7/8. And this is my 1 inch. Okay, and if you want to count from 1, see what this is my 1/1/8. Okay, 1/1/8, 1/1/4. Okay, 1/3/8, 1.5. Okay, 1/5/8, my 1/5/8, 1/3/4, my 1/3/4, 1/7/8. Okay, then 2 inch. Okay, this is my 2 inch. Then you continue like that. This is my 2/1/8, my 2/1/8, 2/1/4. Okay, my 2/1/4, 2/3/8. It's my 2/3/8. This is my 2.5 inch. Okay, this is my 2/5/8. Okay, my 2/5/8. This is my 3/3/4. This is my 2/3/4. Okay, it's my 2/3/4. Okay, and this is my 2/7/8, and this is my 3 inch. Right, so you continue like that until you are able to finish the tape. Okay, you continue like that until you reach the 60th point. Okay, so this one to stop at what? As 60th, as 60. So this is how you are going to count it. So the lines to 60 here is covered. So let's use 58 to 59. Let's see how that goes. 58 to 59. Right, so this is my 58 inch. Okay, this is my 58 inch. This is my 58.18. Okay, 58.18. This is my 58.14. This is my 58.38. Okay, this is my 58.5. Then this is my 58.58. Okay, this is my 58.3/4. This is my 58.78. Okay, then this is my 59 inch. Alright, so that is how you read your tape. Thank you very much for staying with me on this channel, and like I said, I'm going to take you from the very scratch, okay, and then we're going to until you become what? A professional. This video, I'd like you to like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and then turn on your notification bell, okay, so that whenever I drop the next video you'll be notified, okay, so that you can also come and join and learn. So the next video we'll be doing, our next video is how to thread your machine. Okay, how to put thread on your machine. That is the next video I'm going to be posting. So please turn on your notification bell and stay tuned. Okay, as soon as possible I'll be dropping that video. How to fix thread on your machine. We are going to be using industrial machine, and we are also going to be using a manual machine. Okay, so we are going to be using those two machines. So just stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video so that next time when I drop a video you'll be notified. Thank you very much and have a nice time.